Today, I will be showing you how to set up StreamElements and Nightbot to respond to specific messages sent in chat. So for example, if someone in my chat says, "Good win, W," then StreamElements and Nightbot will respond with the W message, and I have StreamElements set up to also use one of my emotes. Editing Brody here, I do need to point out the fact that Nightbot only responded to that message because StreamElements sent a message of a single W. We will get more into that later, but just so you know, if you want a bot to respond to a letter or phrase being anywhere in the message, then you have to use StreamElements for that and not Nightbot. This is a very simple thing to do. So go to StreamElements, go over to Chat Commands under Chatbot, and add a new command. You can name this whatever you want. For this instance, I'm just going to name it W. And then you want the response to be whatever you want StreamElements to respond with. So you can do a couple W's, and then you can put your hype emote, if you have one, in that message. So I'm just going to put this with that. You do need a space between the emote and the message, and then just activate it. Go back down, edit. So now you just have to go to advanced settings and then set the command keyword to W. Make sure you save that. Now, if someone says in your chat, "W, you are him," then StreamElements will respond with your message. So now if there is a W left alone anywhere in the message, then they will respond. This is kind of bad when someone says, "Can I play with you?" and they don't actually spell out the with, they just use a W. It will still respond with the message, but it's not that often, so it's not something you really have to worry about. And now if you want StreamElements to also respond when someone does multiple W's, so like if I won a game and then I did 2 W's in chat, StreamElements will not respond. The way to do that is go back to the command keywords and then just spam out the W's. This can be as far as you want it to be. Just keep doing it until you're happy, thinking, you know, someone might send this message in chat. Save it, come back, and then just do W's. And now StreamElements will respond with your hype message. The way to do this with Nightbot is pretty similar. Just go up to new command, make this W, do not add an exclamation point, and then just put your hype message, whatever you want that to be. I'll just do the same thing, www, with some hype emote. Save that. And now if someone in your chat says W, wow, Nightbot will also respond. Ignore these other 2 things that I have here. But this is Nightbot's response to the single W. Now, unfortunately, with Nightbot, I do not believe there is a way to have it respond when the W is within a random part of the message. So, for example, if I said, "You're so good, W," then Nightbot will not respond to that message since it wasn't the first letter in the sentence. So you can still have messages like, "W, you're him," and Nightbot will respond to that. But StreamElements is really what you want to use if you want it to grab from any part of the message to find that single letter. This was a very short and sweet video. This is super simple and not a lot of people know how to do it, so I decided I'd make this. If you like this type of content and maybe need a tutorial for anything else, make sure to comment that down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.